We have Vise Leopard with an awesome combo. Let's try it out. So today for our Beyblade shows, you can see we have Vise Leopard right here. So the Bay has a little bit of a reputation for the stock combo not being really all that good. So what I wanted to try to do is use the red version of this layer, give it some other combo, see if it works, and we're gonna see what that combo is. So today, for our Beyblade show, we're now back in the studio. I mean, we were back before, but now we're comfortable, you know what I mean? We're getting back into it. We have all of these Cho-Z Beys here. And I thought, hey, Vise Leopard's pretty new, but the Bay kind of sucks. So I made this combo, Vise Leopard, the red version, zero bump. What is this called? Yielding? Whatever it may be called, we are going to use this stock combo that I have made, and we are going to see how it does against all of these Cho-Z Beys. And don't worry, I got 7 atomic for this Hazard Kirbyus. Let's get started. Crash Ragnarok, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Who saw that coming? Alright, we'll do one more round with you. Look at this, it just falls off. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Watch out, Crash Ragnarok. I can't even mean saying you were gonna win, but you wanna know what? For all of the Crash Ragnarok Bad Batch fans, let's do one more round. Okay, just I don't know why I get these comments. Just to show, I have 2 of them, right? I just used this one. We're gonna use this one for this battle, okay? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. The combo the Crash Ragnarok has from the random booster is not really that good. I told you! I was like, wait, is he gonna at least beat me with stamina? No. Alright, so again, it's just the combo of the Bay. That's not good. That's the whole point that I make whenever I use this Bay. Anyways, next show. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! It's a winning Valkyrie. I don't know what. Because I already have the level chip. I don't know why I didn't give winning Valkyrie the level chip. There's one round without the level chip. Let's see, only 1 click. Let's do another round. It's 1-0 so far. We're gonna try to go up to 3 with the level chip. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Taking those direct hits, so it's actually doing pretty good. All right, that was Leopard midway through bursting. We'll do one more round, and we'll give both of it the level chip. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. If this was a normal stadium, that Bay would be done for. Come on, winning! Winning Crush! No, winning Crush, he just got crushed. Now shut up. Alright, so winning Valkyrie has lost. So midway again. Wow, alright. Let's move on to Zeddo Achilles. So this is actually the Zed Achilles from the World Hobby Fair that we never actually used. It's not called like any fancy name. Pretty sure, does it even have a name for it? No. So there's no like random fan-made name. So yeah. We're gonna use this because I don't think we ever showed this in a video. Same parts as the regular Z Achilles, 11 extend. I have no level chip, so 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Achilles, no! There we go! A few hits! You suck. Alright, so Let us make the extend a tall boy, and let us see if the Achilles can destroy me. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Oh, direct hit. No! Achilles bad. Why do you gotta do this? There we go, a few hits. Oh, still nothing, wow. All right, we're gonna do another round. Yeah, no clicks on me. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. I'll launch a G Achilles and see if it's any different. Few hits. And another one bites the dust. All right, so Vise Leopard is our winner. Let us move on to Emperor Fornius. Emperor Fornius, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Come on, what are you gonna do, Fubuki? Emperor Guard? Yeah, look at Fornius, old big shot. Oh, there we go. You don't know what? You don't know what? I'm in a good mood. I'll do you a solid. I'll do you a solid. I'll give you a little level chip, you know? You know? You want a level chip? I'll give you a level chip. Fornius with a level chip. Let's see how it does. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Look at Fornius crumble before me. You wanna know what? You wanna know what? Maybe it's rigged. Maybe the level chip's not helping it. All right. So you wanna know what? I'll do you a favor. I'll take out the level chip. We'll do one more round. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Thanks. What's happening today, Fornius? You wanna know what? Let's do one round where I launch the bay. Just so there's no confusion. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! No. My Fornius is worn down, so. Oh, awesome! All right, let's do another round. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! All right. Look at Fornius with those hits! And yeah, all right. So they're pretty, actually, middle. You got to the middle with Fornius for the clicks. That's actually pretty good. Next bay. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! We got Bloody. So now we're gonna cut that out of the video. No. All right, so I guess Bloody 0 to 2. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! So you know what? I didn't have a good day when they hit me like that. To be honest, I'm kind of confused with its gimmick too. I feel like the layer's sort of kind of useless, but I want to find a way to make it at least somewhat decent. All right, you see that? Because of stamina. Let's go. Let's do another 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Direct hit! What are you gonna do about it? You ain't gonna do nothing. What are you gonna do, Louie? Your little Dragon Crust? You lost to Aiga. Yeah. Yeah. How does it feel? Burst me right away. Yeah, all right. Have a nice day. I'm a little afraid. Yeah, 2-all. Let's go. 2-all. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Did they just get lucky one round? What's happening? No, come on, Bloody. All right. Hold the books. You wanna know what? I'll do one round where I launch it, okay? Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Oh, look at those hits! No, but in all seriousness, though, I really like this combo for it. I think it's pretty good. Hell Salamander, 3, 2, 1, go shoot! It was its special move, Hellfire Tornado. Let's wait in the side of the stadium. This was Suo's ultimate strategy. I'm gonna be mad if I lose. Alright, so what we're gonna do, because it was in 5 in an attack, we're gonna change it to 10 in a defense. So, next round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Hi guys, Suo here. And I'm here to say that I want to win the Longinus Cup. And then after lose to Aiga. After getting my Cho-Z Beys for like a day. And then after fighting him and losing. Whew. Look at these bays. Watch out, Hell Salamander. Ooh, let's do another round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Few hits. Ooh. Yeah, so I think it's safe enough to say the title of this video is going to be something like the Cho-Z Killer. No, not really. If it beats Hell Salamander, I can officially title the video that. I mean, actually it did. You wanna know what? I'm gonna pretend like it was Leopard and we'll do another round. How about this? If I win this, I win it all. Okay? Awesome. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I like how I jumped on top of the bay. Yeah, so if I win, you know why? That was weird, I like split on top of it for a second. Alright! Come on, Vise Leopard! Special move! Bloody claw tackle! Super Zetsu! Okay, so I guess Hell Salamander's the strongest Cho-Z Beys. Yeah, that was a fluke. If I win this, I win it all. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Hello. 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 Come on, Vise Leopard! Go! Bloody kick of sand to the salamander and flip over 360-degree karate chop smash! Come on! Yo, I got my app open for the avatar attack. Why isn't this work? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! What about that? Officially garbage! Actually, no, I like Hell Salamander a lot. Actually, it's probably one of my favorite Cho-Z Beys. So actually, you wanna know, type in the comments, hashtag I love Hell Salamander. Let's get a lot of comments for that. No, but seriously, Hell Salamander is pretty tough. I didn't really expect too much from it. Next to Hercules, 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Come on! Vise Leopard! Did you see that thing like fly out? What was that? What was that? Maybe it was just some dust. Okay, bud. 0 to 1, I was holding back. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Come on! Ultra Mega Claw Slam! Come on! You can do it, Vise Leopard! I believe in you! I'm doing my Ultra Avatar Smashing Attack! That was cringe, this better work. Okay, so I guess the Blader Spirits. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Square up. We about to fight right now. Actually, we are, so. If I win every other battle on this channel. On my own channel. Yo, am I gonna win? Actually, no, you launched. You didn't even light launch it. Wow. Okay, I saw for a second it to be like that life after death where it's like, hey, I'm gonna spin a little bit more. Vise Leopard! Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Come on, Vise Leopard! We can win this! As a team! Teamwork! Teamwork! Yeah, alright, that was, I'm done. 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Come on! Why won't you win? Come on, bro. Don't make me look bad. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah! Oh, you wanna know what? I don't even care. I'm gonna use a level chip. Yeah. How do you feel about that? Level chip.
I feel good.
3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Vise Leopard! Special move! I don't know what your special moves are. And I'm supposed to be getting caught up with Cho-Z, so. Ultimate Claw! That hits, I guess. You officially just got slightly outspun, so let us move on to the next Cho-Z Bey. This is a Hazard Kirbyus with the actual parts that we know from the guide, or we know, I guess, from the set. 7 atomic. Let's do a few rounds. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Watch this combo be good. I said watch, I didn't say it won't happen. Wait, I mean, okay. Well, leave a like. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! So do you think you're gonna win? What are your thoughts on this combo? You like it?
Yeah. I like it a lot.
Hashtag I like it a lot in the comment sections below. Let's get that trending. I actually won it. Alright. Next Bey. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! I felt so good just killing that Bey. If I can beat Revive Phoenix or even Burst Revive Phoenix, I'm done for today. First round, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Let's see if I break off the armor. Do I at least like outspin it? Oh, there we go. Vise Leopard, 1-0. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Yeah, okay, so. Well. Vise Leopard, 2-0. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Armor hit it, didn't even phase it. Revive gonna get it? Vise Leopard, so let me try a round where I launch Revive Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Alright, come on, Revive. Ooh, Revive Phoenix. Oh, but midway through bursting too. See another round? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! No, no contact. Contact? Nice. Does it actually help me though? Oh, we'll do one more round. 3, 2, 1, go. Shit! Armor's down. Oh! I don't really think that's good for a revive. Three, two, one, go. Shit! Vise Leopard! Come on! Final round, I'm gonna try to launch it, see if it wins. 3, 2, 1, go. Shit! You ain't nothing to me! I'm getting really lucky right now with that last hit. So, I think our undefeated, slightly defeated, actually defeated quite a bit, Vise Leopard combo, Red Vise Leopard, Cho-Z Killer question mark? Let me know what are your thoughts on this combo. Maybe you have a better combo. I'm curious to hear in the comment section below. This was just for fun. I don't think this is good competitive or whatever. This was just for a fun video. Man, that was awesome. Gotta say the combo is pretty good. Let me know in the comment section below what were your thoughts on the combo, if you think there's a better combo. Again, it was more or less for fun, but I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you already are subscribed, make sure to click that bell to notify for uploads. And as always, have an awesome Burstful day.